This program shows you how to create multiple inheritance using interface. To explain this, I have created few classes and interfaces. First class I have created is called student. Using this student, I have created one more class called as test. Then I have created one interface called as sports. Then I have created a class called as result, which will extend a test class as well as implement the sports. Now here I have used the multiple inheritance. In this result I have created the multiple inheritance. Now one more class called as demo class. In student class I have created one data member called as roll number and used two methods. One method for reading the data, that is roll number, and another method for displaying the roll number. In the second class, which will extend the student class called as test. Now here I have created two data members, that is called as part 1 and part 2. This is part 1 and part 2 is used for storing the marks information of a student. Instead of part 1 and part 2 you can use any name. Here M1 indicates the first marks, M2 indicates the first marks, which is initialized to part 1 and part 2. So I have written one get marks method for reading the 2 marks information for part 1 and part 2. Then I have written one method for called as put marks to display the marks as a formatted output. I have created one interface here called as sports. Now this sports will provide some additional marks information related to sports activity. So here sports weight is written as 6 marks and I have written one method declaration here, put weight. Now in the result class I have created one data member called as total and write the code for the put weight. Since this result implements the sports interface, I have to write the code for the put weight. So this put weight is overridden here. In put weight I have displayed the sports weight, this value here. It contains one more method called as display. Since this result will extend test as well as student, so all the methods of that previous classes will be available here. In display method I have first calculate the total of all the marks. First I take part 1 and part 2 from the test class and add it with the sports weight which is available in the sports interface. And this is the marks given for a student which is stored in a total data member. Then I had displayed its student roll number. Then I had displayed student marks. Here I have displayed the sports weight here, sports marks. Then I have identified the total of the student and displayed here. So this is just a demo how to create multiple inheritance using a interface. Now in the main method I have created the object of result class called as student1 and call all the three methods like get number, roll number is taken here, you can give any number here. Then I have taken the 2 marks information here, I have given the 2 marks information. Then I have called the display. Display means it will call this method. Now I will show you how to run this code. First I have debug the code, then put some breakpoint here, then start. Okay, now the start process from the here. First I have to create one object called as student1. So first I create one object called student1. Then I have to read the method from get number. This get number is actually available in student class. So it goes to the student class and run the get number and store that number into the roll number. Once it run the get number, then it takes to the get marks, which is available in the marks class. Now here M1, M2 is initialized to part 1 and part 2. You can see here M1 is actually 27, M3 is 33. So it is initialized to part 1 and part 2. Once it is initialized, I have to call display method, which is available in the result class. So I go to display. Here in display, it will first add the total, then it will call the put number from the student. Now display the output. Its roll number is displayed. Then put the marks. It will display marks one by one. Then it will call put weight. Display the weight information, that is sports information. Here see the part 1, part 2 as well as weight will be displayed here one by one. First it will display roll number, then part 1, part 2 and weight is be displayed here. Then it will call total marks. It will call total marks, that is 66 will be displayed here, and it will stop the process.